In this video, we will explore two proven home methods that can help whiten teeth. Firstly, we have baking soda. Studies have shown that baking soda mixed with toothpaste can have a significant whitening effect on teeth. You can also use baking soda on its own, by mixing 1 teaspoon of soda with 2 teaspoons of water, and brushing 2 to 3 times a week. The second and less popular method is with hydrogen peroxide. Studies have shown that combining toothpaste, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide has shown a considerable effect on teeth whitening. You can dilute hydrogen peroxide with water, and gargle, similar to a mouthwash. Although, hydrogen peroxide is an irritant, so be sure not to use any concentrations higher than 3%. 1% is usually enough. Prevention is better than cure. Try to limit staining foods and drinks such as coffee and wine. A good trick is to use a straw so there's no contact with the teeth. You should also consume calcium-rich foods such as milk, cheese and broccoli to protect the enamel on your teeth. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more health tips.